have all kinds of different types of mosquitoes in Prince William County. We have floodwater mosquitoes, we have mosquitoes that breed in stagnant streams, we have mosquitoes that love artificial containers. So we have quite a number of different species. So there are 39 different species of mosquitoes in Virginia, and probably around 15 that we find regularly in our traps. The most common nuisance mosquitoes that we have are Aedes albopictus, or the Asian tiger mosquito, which likes to breed in artificial containers. We also have Culex mosquitoes, the common house mosquito, which are small, little brown mosquitoes that breed in stagnant streams and also artificial containers. But we have quite a number of different mosquitoes that we find in our traps. Mosquitoes can potentially transmit West Nile virus, which is a potentially serious disease. Most people that get bitten by mosquitoes and get West Nile have an asymptomatic infection, but it can transform into a deadly neuroinvasive disease. They can also give your pets dog heartworm. In addition to that, we have Eastern equine encephalitis, and we have potential emerging tropical diseases that it could be moving up the coast, such as dengue fever, as well as chikungunya. So there are a number of different diseases that mosquitoes can transmit. The best thing you can do to prevent mosquito breeding around your house is to essentially eliminate any mosquito breeding habitats that you have. So you want to make sure mosquitoes need water for the first 3 stages of their life, so egg, larva, and pupa. So the best thing you can do is eliminate any standing water that you have around the house. And the water can be as little as 1/4 of an inch for the Asian tiger mosquitoes to breed. So you need to look at your clogged rain gutters, any water that you have in plant saucers, that kind of thing. Black corrugated pipes that you have running off of your downspouts can be really problematic because the water will wash down into the ridges, and essentially it can't evaporate, so it forms this cycle of condensation and it goes back into the pipe, and then the mosquitoes breed in those little ridges inside of it. So the best thing you can do for the pipes is to either replace the pipes with some that have slits in them, like the perforated kind, so the water can actually drain out into the ground. Or you can place mesh screening around the front of the pipe to prevent the adult females from flying in and laying their eggs in any water that might be in the pipe. Another method of control that you can use on your property is to use something called a Mosquito Dunk. So this has a bacterial larvicide on it. It's a very environmentally friendly product that you can apply to any standing water that you might have around your house. So these are great for bird baths, ornamental ponds, rain barrels, that kind of thing. It's entirely non-toxic, so you can put it in a dog bowl and the dog can still drink out of it. It won't hurt fish, it won't hurt birds. There are a number of different resources for mosquito control. We recommend first going to our website, pwcgov.org/gypsy-moth-mosquito. So there's a lot of information there and a lot of links to different pages that have information on all of these different diseases and some techniques to try and keep standing water from accumulating around your house. You can also just do a Google search for Asian tiger mosquitoes or mosquito habitat prevention.